Ni hanini na kuria miaki na ndogo itungirekaria muciĩ munene wa Tehran bũrũri wa Iran kiroko kia umuthi thutha wa US na Israel gweka birigiceni cia ũmbirarũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Iran. President Donald Trump augite bũrũri wa US hamwe na bũrũri wa Israel ni matharĩkĩire bũrũri wa Iran kiroko kia umuthi ta birigiceni ya mwanya ya kunina matharaita na mbara cia nuclear bũrũri-inĩ wa Iran. Ongereire ati Iran ikoretwo iri gitumiro kia utoi. US ni irite ikaria o bũrũri-inĩ wa Iran mieke methe mihango ya kuma bũrũri-inĩ ucio tondu tharĩkĩra ici ni iguthie na mbere minyagia utongoria uria wi Iran wehere.
The United States military began major combat operations in Iran. Our objective is to defend the American people by eliminating imminent threats from the Iranian regime, a vicious group of very hard, terrible people. It has always been the policy of the United States, in particular, my administration, that this terrorist regime can never have a nuclear weapon. I'll say it again, they can never have a nuclear weapon. And we sought repeatedly to make a deal. We tried. They wanted to do it. They didn't want to do it. Again, they wanted to do it. They didn't want to do it. They didn't know what was happening. They just wanted to practice evil. But Iran refused, just as it has for decades and decades. They've rejected every opportunity to renounce their nuclear ambitions, and we can't take